Welcome back to my channel. Season's greetings to each and every one of you guys. And thank you guys for all the support. And today we have a short video. It's a sorrel chutney. And I'll give more details further on in the video. So keep on watching. Okay guys, just a run through of the ingredients. We're going to need allspice, brown sugar, onion, garlic, Scotch bonnet if it's available to you, ginger, lime, zest of an orange, and of course our sorrel. So the instruction will be on the screen guys, so keep on watching and I'll catch up with you further on in the video. quick note guys, when we're at this stage, please don't walk away from the stove. Keep an eye and keep on stirring. We need like a jam-like texture, so just keep on stirring while it's cooking. And when it's cool, it will become more thick. So here we have come to the end of another video guys. Hope you guys enjoy this one. This is delicious, and roast pork, chicken, fish, even on your crackers and your bread guys. Yes, I said it. It's spicy, tangy, sweet. It's a combo. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy this one. Again, thanks for all the support, and I'll catch you in another video guys. So until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Merry Christmas to you all. Do enjoy.